How to create a white swipe solid in After Effects. Learn step by step how to achieve this tuning effect to enhance your motion graphics and video projects. This is really simple to do in After Effects. First, you need to have clips to use for this effect, which is very logical. Now, create a white solid by pressing the shortcut Ctrl+Y. Go to the preview menu and move to where you want to forward 2 frames. Then, cut your solid. Repeat the same steps on the second layer. Select the rectangle tool now. On the first solid, select the left part with the rectangle tool. Go to the second solid and select the right part with the rectangle tool. Now, swipe the layers to the transition, where you want the effect to occur. There we go, now you've created a very nice white swipe solid in After Effects. This is all what you need to know. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe if you want more tutorials like this.